What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2026 Kia K5. So I'm in the vehicle with the ignition in the on position. Then I'm going to come over here to my center screen and I'm going to click the home button here. Once I'm on the home screen, I'm going to scroll all the way over and click Setup. From here, I'm going to click Vehicle. And then I'm going to come over here and click Convenience. And then from this screen, if we scroll down just a little bit, we can see the oil change reminder. This one doesn't need to be reset, but we're going to go ahead and reset it anyway. It's just asking, has it been reset? Yes. And then as you can see, that's now been reset back to 100%. Now the service interval, if you have it enabled, you can see this one is not enabled. This is how you enable it or disable it, just like that. That just toggles on or off. If that's on, you may also need to come in here and reset this if it's reached the set distance or duration for your reminder. So if you have that enabled, you can come in there and reset that, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave this one off. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.